Do you want your text to stand out and become easier to read? Then, adding a shadow is a simple way to give your titles and captions more professional look. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add shadows to the text in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. Step number 1. Open CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap New Project and select the video you want to edit. And tap Add to import it to the editing timeline. To add new text, tap Text and select Add Text. Now is the time that you can type your title or caption. With the text selected, tap Style from the editing options. Here, you can customize the appearance of your text by changing the font, color, outline, and even shadows. Find the shadow option and turn it on. After that, you may be able to adjust the shadow's color, opacity, blur, distance, or angle. You can experiment with these settings to create a subtle or bold effect while keeping your text easy to read. Before exporting, play your video to see how the text looks against your background. And there you have it! That's how you add shadows to the text in CapCut Mobile. Make every word stand out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.